Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. In this video, we'll show you how to monitor a Windows 10 computer using the Zabbix monitoring tool. Zabbix is a powerful and free tool that helps you keep an eye on your system's health. It can track things like CPU usage, memory, disk space, system restarts, and network issues. With Zabbix, you can easily spot problems early and make sure your computer is running smoothly. Follow these easy steps to start monitoring your Windows system with Zabbix. First, go to the official Zabbix website. Click the Get Zabbix button. Next, go to the Zabbix Agents section and select Windows as your operating system. Next, download the Zabbix Agent. Next, proceed to install the Zabbix Agent on your Windows system. Next, configure the host name and enter the Zabbix Server IP address, then click Next to complete the installation. Next, log into the Zabbix web interface using your username and password. First, create a host group by navigating to Data Collection and selecting Host Groups. Next, click on Create Host Group and enter a name for your new host group. Next, navigate to Monitoring Hosts. Click the Create Host button. Next, set the host name. In the Templates section, choose the Windows by Zabbix Agent template to apply it to the host. Next, select the host group you created earlier. Next, set the interface type to Agent and specify the agent's IP address. Finally, click the Add button to begin monitoring the host. If all configurations are correct, your host will appear as available. You'll then be able to monitor its status, including disk space, network interfaces, system performance, and any related errors.